Okay, first of all, we start with the stage up and move the course adjustment so the stage itself goes down. And once it's focused on the course adjustment, we then go to the medium power and only use the fine adjustment. Once that's focused, go down to the higher power, the next higher power, which is the highest power in this sense, in this microscope. Turn it over and play around with the fine adjustment. Adjust the light a little bit so it's clear. Alright, very simple, very quick. You can see the chloroplasts and the cell walls. It's quite good on this slide. It's a piece of Elodia. Just to do the whole procedure again. Alright, move the stage right up to the top on the lowest power. You then use the course adjustment to move it down so it's focused just like that. Light's a little bit strong. Once that's done, you don't touch the course adjustment ever again. Go down to the medium power and just use the fine focus. Once that's done, go down to the next higher power and use the fine focus again. Okay, so three-stage process. Go lift the stage right to the top. On the low power, use the course adjustment. Once that's done, next higher power, fine adjustment, next higher power, fine adjustment. You can see it's very, very quick. Now, just demonstrating here, to scan a slide, you need to go in a zigzag. You need to go left to right to left, down, left to right, down, or up. Just go in a zigzag pattern back and forth so you can cover the entire slide, so you can see everything that's there. That may be useful for certain applications. Maybe you're looking at a slide looking for cancerous cells, so you need to check the entire slide to see if there's any cells at all that are cancerous. Maybe you've stained it for bacteria, so you're looking to see if there's a bacterial infection. Okay, so using the microscope, quickly focusing and quickly looking at the entire slide by going back and forth.